testing. I'm just trying to test my live broadcast to know how it's going to be, to have the best experience so far for all my viewers, all my students, basically my home base here in University of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. First one I did, like I said earlier, I had one I did earlier. I noticed that the video was not synchronizing with my voice, the audio, and then the audio was breaking also. There were some things I said which was not captured. It was too fast. So I was using Mobizen live stream. So currently I'm using YouTube live stream, which is the best. Okay, I'm using my phone anyway. If I use my system, I will not have any issue. But I'm using my phone because most of the things I have are in my phone. And you know now with the issue of light. So okay, let's go straight to the points. Like I said, this is a testing stuff. We'll see half time. Once I get this checked up, the voice, everything, the video, I'll be able to come back for an introductory session, okay, for the video. Please, if you have any practical question that you need to ask, you can of course check me out on my on this YouTube. And not just that, you can drop your question in the comment section, and you be added up to my WhatsApp, okay, channel where I drop my video link basically to students, okay. And there's a mentorship group also. There's a lot that will be going on there in that group. The orientation will be coming up very soon for those that are in that group already. Just to see how we can give you, I can give you the best by God's grace. The experience I've gathered so far in my academic journey in Uniport and outside Uniport is a very good one to set you right. Okay, there's so many things that you guys don't really know. Okay, it's not just about coming to class to learn, going for tutorial class, going for private, whatever thing, study. There's a lot you need to know. Not just that will also help you in those your studies and refocus your direction. Others are doing it because they see others doing it and they must do it, but you don't really have passion thing you are doing, and that is what the group is just for. I just want you to be very patient while you are in that group, because I don't like hurrying my thing. I like people that are real, real people. I don't like fake people. I don't like people that are hurry. I don't like, I know that in life you must not hurry. Okay, so like I said, I'm just doing that to see how far the video. Please tell me your experience. Ensure that your video while you're on the live session here, or while you're on the YouTube, click on the screen, you see setting, ensure is in 720 peak, 320, 340 or 420 or so thereabouts. Okay, 144 is the worst, so don't go for it. Not just that, your video is in the either vertical or landscape, so that you can get the best depending on how your screen is. Like I said, this is just a testing and to also guide us on what to be expecting in my subsequent video. Okay, so I have this here. You see the challenge I'm having here now. Okay, I think it's moving, and I thought the thing will not move here. All right, so these are just table of value. These are, let me start with the, okay, this is just the solution material I'll be using. This is my solution material. Please, let's be very careful about on the the students past student manual use. Actually, I said something in one of my classes. I said some of the things you see, they might mark it, but they may not be correct. You understand? So we don't just have to go with that. Know the right thing and know what is being written there. Okay. So there are some errors there in their work. You might be seeing marking. Those marking are just there to fulfill righteousness. By the grace of God, I work in the lab. So sometimes somebody can then sites. I have to be very careful to be, with the choice of what I'm using. It could be an oversight, okay, while they are marking. So it's better you know how that thing is being gotten than just seeing it and you copy because they mark it. No. So be very careful about that. It's just my advice anyway. So okay, so I think that's it. So this is just solution to M4 part of it. Like I said, the full one will be coming very soon. And this is M8 table of value. M8 table of value. So your work should look like this. When we get there, I will explain everything. Then this is a picture of graph. Is the graph supposed to pass through the origin or not? Why? All right. What again? Is a graph negative slope, positive, intercept, how to get it, where is intercept supposed to be, and why is it like this, like in MCs. Okay. So you find me in success tutorial class, you find me in Nisike tutorial class, you find me in um, class organized by faculty presidents, okay, anatomy for almost all the medical sciences, okay, nursing, dentistry, pharmacy, anatomy, and medicine. You also find me in those classes live, okay. I'm coaching them. That's what I love doing. So you do that. Try to also join my WhatsApp group, like I said, where I share some tips, some academic tips. Sorry for this very one. This one is not clear. It is best we do it together, and of course with the startup in this first semester, you are sure of making at least my target to have students that will make at least 4.5 at the end of this year one, not just first semester, overall. All right, overall. Okay, overall. Sorry, my camera is not showing. I just decided to do it that way. Maybe when I start, you see me live. Okay, I did just a testing and to also pass information on what is going to be. So make sure you have your manual with you. Ensure you have your manual with you so that you can be able to follow up everything that we'll be doing here. All right, can be able to follow everything that we are doing here. Okay, so make sure you have your manual with you. If you don't have it, ask of a friend. I think Mr. Success printed it and then shared. Okay, but I will be sharing some of the manual section anyway. So, but it's good you have it with you live there so that while I'm talking, you can also be viewing some of the things so that you can meet up with us. Okay. All right. So, what more can I say? Okay. I still want to say this for those who have gone for who have done practical. Okay, you have done practical before now, before you seen this video. Ensure that you follow up the work with us. Okay. Of course, share your table of value to see before you go to the next session, next week work or the other week work. And if there's any problem with it, I will know how to work it out with your group. Okay, just let me know and I will tell you how to go about it. If there's any issue, there's a way you can also modify it for your own good. And you were told that next week when you come, you continue your work. Let me tell you the simple truth. There's no time for you to do the work again of the practical. So you have to work smart. That is just the only way. If you guys are smart with your work, that is the only time you can be able to finish on time. If not, you not still finish. So, and they will give you a particular day to finish your work, and that will be very, very hectic on you. So you end up being frustrated, not doing anything because plotting graph like M4. How many graph does M4 have? M4 has 4 graphs. M9, in fact, almost all the practical have 2 graphs. Only almost all of them, apart from M11. M11 and M8. Almost every other one are having 2 graphs. So imagine where you are doing 4 or 5 practicals and all of them are having 2 graphs. Only plotting graph alone can take you time, like minutes, hours, and then solving the problem and then doing everything, conclusion and everything. So what I mean is that you have to just work smart. And I've taught you how to get you a T1, T2, T3 without doing everything. I've given you 2 methods of doing that, and I'll still do it again when I come for the live session for those who didn't attend the class. Okay, so just do that and ensure that you follow up very well. There's no lecture for Phys 102, and the lecture you have is here on WhatsApp or the tutorial class that you all belong to. I encourage you to join tutorial class, please. I encourage you to join tutorial. Please, no matter how good you are, please, this is Unipod, this is university, and join tutorial class. Join any of the tutorial class you have. We have Delzy, we have the we have Success, we have Go Best and Chem Chris, and then the rest of them, The young module is also on board, okay, just to assist in some area, of course, in the practical and of course in the private classes and the rest of them, you understand. So I've retired a bit from the from the business. I'm not fully in, okay, because of my job. But I'm always there on the mentorship side to guide students overall and then to have a private class. So to join the WhatsApp group, in case you've not joined, 070-633-77552, but I prefer taking the second one, 091-5729-3443, 091-5729-3443. That's my glow line, and you can join there. In the group, there are so many things I do there to guide you, and we are also planning how we can be having weekly assessments, okay, guiding you, giving you some online test question, prepare, not just learning alone, but you can be able to test yourself and check yourself for exams, and then share some other material that will also benefit you, like a study group. Okay, you can form a study group from there. There's a lot. Okay, orientation will be coming up very soon online for those people that will be available. I'm supposed to make it a live orientation, but I don't know how it's going to be comfortable going to be, except maybe the Easter break where there will be a small short break. But for now, it's going to be a live session, so that yes, on Telegram, sorry, either on Telegram or on WhatsApp. Basically, we just discuss few things and how you can make it. So any question you have, please drop it on the comment section here, or if it's a different question from the practical, you can also drop it in the WhatsApp group and then join the WhatsApp group. Okay, just chat me up. I'm going to drop you the link. Let me know your experience in this video. Okay, the essence is just to check whether the video will be very clear, my voice, everything. Okay, if I'm missing something or everything is jam packing, let me know. Okay, yeah, just let me know this. You peace out. Let me end this live now. You're about to end it.